नमस्कार। ग्रेटमैन इंटरनेशनल स्कूल की ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में मैं आपका स्वागत करता हूं। कोविड-19 महामारी के इस दौर में मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि आपका परिवार पूरी तरह सुरक्षित है, स्वस्थ है और बच्चों ने लॉकडाउन में बहुत एंजॉय किया। अब मैं आपका सपोर्ट चाहता हूं। इस ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में बच्चों की शिक्षा को हम अब स्टार्ट करते हैं और बहुत ही जल्द जो भी आपका बैकलॉग है हम उसको क्लियर भी करेंगे और एक नए तरीके से आपकी शिक्षा अब स्टार्ट होने वाली है। पेरेंट्स का हमें पूरा सपोर्ट चाहिए। आप लोग पिछले 10 सालों से लगातार हमें सपोर्ट करते आए हैं और मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि अगर हम और आप मिलकर चाहेंगे तो बच्चों की शिक्षा का कोई नुकसान नहीं होने वाला है और हमें और आपको मिलकर अब एक रीस्टार्ट करना है। नाउ लेट्स रीस्टार्ट। बेस्ट ऑफ लक। नमस्कार।
Hello students, how are you all? I hope all are doing well at home and enjoying yourself. But now it's time to get back to studies. Before starting, let me introduce myself to you. My name is Ms. Priyanka Tiwari and I will be taking grade 2 maths. Now let's start. Hello students, now let's begin chapter number 1, which is numbers up to 200. In grade 1, you have already learnt numbers and number names up to 100. Now here you will learn numbers up to 200. How to compare number increasing and decreasing order up to number 200. So let's begin the chapter now. Before starting the chapter, I request all the scholars to please open page number 7 given in your book and hold a pencil in your hand. The first exercise which is given here is looking back. Match. The boxes which you can see in red color denote, one box denote 10. How many boxes are there? 2. So it denote 20. The boxes which are given in green color denote ones. So how many boxes are there? 3. So that means it becomes 3. So now start matching it with the number and its number name. Like first one is 20 and 3. It's already done. 23 and you have to match it with its spelling. Let's check out the next one. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 70 and how many green boxes are there? 4. That means it becomes 74. 74 is here and now you have to match the number with its number name. So 74 is here. Number names you have already learnt in grade 1. You can revise it once more. Now try doing the next to yourself. We move on to the next question. Write the numbers before, after or between. If you remember, in grade 1 you have already learnt before, after and between number. So now tell me, this is just a revision of grade 1. What comes after 59? 60, yes. So in the box you will write 60. Same way, what comes before 81? Yes, 80. Now you have to tell me between number. What comes between 67 and 69? Both the tens places are same, 6 and 6. Now just see the ones place, 7 and 9. What comes between 7 and 9? Yes, 8 and 6 will remain as it is. You can write 68. Scholars, come to the next page, page number 9. First here we will learn how to read out numbers up to 200. To read a 3-digit number, first read the 100 place and then read the last 2 digit. Suppose, for example, here it is given 180. How you will read out? Read the first read the 100 place. 100, and what is the last 2 digits? 80. So it will be read as 180. Check out the next number. 108. How we will read out? First read the 100 place, 100, and here in tens place it is 0 and ones place it is 8, so it will be read as 108. Now let's start with exercise 1A. We will directly come to question number 2, because first question is, take a few sheets of square line paper, and it's an activity which you can do at home yourself. I'm coming to the question number 2. Say the numbers out loud as you write them. Scholars, every time I request all the scholars, whenever you are writing, while writing, read out loudly, so that if you made any mistake in between, you can also come to know. Now let's start. The box which you can see in yellow color denote 100. The box which you can see in red color denote 10. And the boxes which you can see in green color denote ones. Okay, that means here in 100 place you will write 1. In tens place also 1, because only one strip is only there. And how many are there in ones place? 4. That's way how we write it. Let's check out the next one, because first one was already done. Okay, here in the 100 place, how many boxes are there? 1. That means in the 100 place we will write 1. How many boxes are there in tens place? As we have done in the previous page, one box denote 10. How many boxes are there? 10, 20, 30. 3 boxes are there. So in the tens place we will write 3, and in ones place nothing is there, so we will write 0. Okay. Now in the same way, the remaining questions you have to practice yourself, and scholars maintain a notebook and practice this sum in that notebook. Okay scholars, now come to page number 10. Question number 3 is, write the numbers from 101 to 200 and don't forget to say them aloud as you write. Here, using your pencil, you have to write the counting from 101 to 200. Like 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, and so on. So this I would like all of you to do as homework. Let's move on to the next question. Use the table in question 3 for writing the answers. Now, first one is complete the pattern of number. You need to check the pattern. What sort of pattern is going on, and you have to follow that. Like here, 110, 120, 130, and so on. That means a gap of 10, 10, 10 is being taken. So the next number which will be coming here is 140. What is the next number after that? Give a gap of 10. 150. Then what is the next number? Next number will be 160. Okay, and so on. Now check out the next one. Give the number that comes after. After, before, between, you have already learned. You have to just try it out. 117. What is the number that comes just after 117? 1. Just see the 100 place. 1. It will remain the same. And just check out the next two number. 17. What is the next number that comes just after 17? It's 18. So here we will write 18. 100 place will remain the same. Only there will be a change in the ones place. Okay, let's check the next number. 129. Sometimes there is a change in only ones place, and sometimes both the places change. Ones and tens both. Like this one. 129. 100 will remain the same. 1. And check out the next two number. 29. What comes after 29? 30. Yes. So the number will be 130. 30. Rest the next two you have to try it. Practice it yourself. Now give the number that comes before. What comes before 105? Now you have to write the number that comes before. So let the 100 place be same. Now in the tens place 0 is there, so we can write as it is. Now tell me, just check the ones place. 5. What will come before 5? Yes, 4. Okay, now let's do the third one. 100 place will remain the same. 1. Now check out the next number. 97. What comes just before 97? You can even write the tens place as it is. Just you have to check only ones place here. 97. What is the number just before 97? 96. Yes. Okay. Now the next question. Here you have to write the numbers for these number names. The number names are already written. You have to just read out and write the number. First one is already done. Check out the next one. 107. So in 100 place we will write 1 and only 7 is given. Nothing is given in tens place. So what you will write? In tens place you will write 0 and in ones place 7. Check out the next number. 121. Okay, so in 100 place 1 is given. 100. What is given in tens place? 20. So you will not write 2020 because in ones place it's given 1. 21. So 21. 121. This way you have to do the rest. You have to practice it and try out. Now scholars, come to page number 12. Here we will learn about place value. See the numbers given on the screen. 3, 26 and 185. 3. This number has only one digit. 26. This number has 2 digits. And 185. This number has 3 digits. So 3, 6 and 5 all are in the ones place. And their place value are 3, 6 and 5. 2 and 8 are in the tens place. The place value of 2 in 26 is 2020. And the place value of 8 in 185 is 8080. Only 1 is in the 100 place. So the place value of 1 is, in 185 it is 100. So scholars, now we move on to next page, page number 13, exercise 1B. Let's check the first question. Give the expanded form of the following numbers. The first number which you can see is 123. Here 3 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, and 1 is in 100 place. So how you will expand it? You will write it like this: 100 plus 2 tens plus 3 ones. And in the next column, it will be written as 100 plus 20 plus 3. Let's check F. What is the number? 195. How it will be written in expanded form? 100. You have to write the spelling of 100 here. Plus 9 tens plus 3 ones. And in the next column, you can write it like this: 100 plus 90 plus 5. So scholars, the remaining you can practice at home. Now we move on to next question. Fill in the blanks. A and B are already done, so we will move on to C. 50 plus 3. Now here you have to write it in the short form. So it will be written as 53 because 3 is in ones place and 50 is in tens place. Now we will do the G. Just check out question number G. 100 plus 10 plus 9. 9 is in ones place, 10 is in tens place, and 100 in 100 place. So how it will be written? 119. It will be written like this. Now let's check out J also. 100 plus 110 plus 3 ones. How it will be written? 113. Here 3 is in ones place, 1 is in ones place, and 1 is in 100 place. So remaining, just practice at home. Moving on to next page, page number 14. The question that we can see is fill in the place value of the following numbers. Here we simply need to tell the place value of the given numbers. Let's check out C. 180. The number that is given to us is 180. Here 0 is in ones place, 8 is in tens place, and 1 is in 100 place. So 0 will be written in ones place. In tens place you will write 80, and in 100 place we will write 100. Let's check out one more question. 126. Here 6 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, and 1 in 100 place. So how it will be written? 6 in ones place, 20 in tens place, and 100 in ones place. Scholars, the remaining you can practice in your notebook. Okay students, now let's move on to page number 18. Here we will learn order of numbers. That means increasing and decreasing order. You have already studied this in grade 1. Increasing means small to big and decreasing means big to small. Let's check out this picture first. These 4 buildings are in order of their numbers from smallest to greatest. When we write numbers from smallest to greatest, they are called increasing. That means from small to big. It is called increasing order. Now check out this next picture. These four houses are in order of their number from greatest to smallest. When we write numbers from greatest to smallest, they are in decreasing order. Means from big to small. It is called decreasing order. Now let's do this exercise. Hope all of you are holding a pencil in your hand. Arrange the following numbers in increasing. What is the meaning of increasing? From small to big. Check out the first number. 21, 158, 136. First, you need to check out the numbers which the tens, which is just see how many digits are there in each number. In first number only 2 digits are there. In the second one 3, and in the third one also 3. And here we need to write from small to big. Which is the smallest from among these three? 21. Only 2 digits are there because, and the rest are having 3 digits. So 21 will come first. Now remaining two numbers 158 and 136. We will start seeing from the 100 place. Both are having 1 in 100 place. We can't tell which is small. Now move on to the tens place. Here it's 5 and in the next digit it is 3. Which is smallest? 3 is smallest. Yes. So which number will come automatically? Automatically 136 will come at the second place. So 136. And the last number, it's remaining. That means it is the biggest one. So it will come in the third position. If the tens place is also same, you can see the ones place. Now I would like the remaining 3 you will try at home. You need to practice it yourself. Let's check out this next one. Arrange the following number in decreasing order. Here you need to arrange them in decreasing. That means from big to small. So again, first check out. In the first number, only 2 digits are there. In the second number, 3 digits are there. And in the third number also, 2 digits. We have to first write the biggest number. So here it's clearly visible that 181 is the biggest because it has 3 digits. 181. Now we need to check out from the other two. So first we will see, because 100th place is not there. So we will see the tens place. In the first digit, in tens place, 7 is there. And in the second digit, in tens place, 6 is there. 7 is big or 6? 7 is bigger. So that means automatically 75 is the bigger number, and then last 65. It's arranged in decreasing order. Now the remaining 3 you need to practice yourself. So students, here we come to the end of the chapter, and now keep practicing the sums at home. All the worksheets and assignments related to this chapter is given in the link in the description box. And if you have any doubts regarding this chapter, you can comment in the comment section. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and don't forget to wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds every hour. Thank you.